Good morning, students. Myself, Assistant Professor Sagar Vyavhare. Today we are going to talk about subject core Java and topic polymorphism. Okay, so let's start with the topic. What is polymorphism first of all? So polymorphism is one of the more important and the core concept of Java. What poly means? Poly means many and morph means forms. So many forms. Okay, so what happen exactly over here? There are methods or some operators which look same but perform different tasks. Let's see, same methods or the operators can perform different tasks depending on the context. There are two types of polymorphism are there basically. One is called compile time and the second one is called as runtime. So we'll see in detail what is compile time polymorphism and what is runtime polymorphism. But before that, we'll see what are the advantages of using polymorphism in Java, or you can say in OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. So first benefit or first advantage of polymorphism is increase the code reusability. You need not have to write same code again and again. Okay, write it once and use it many times. That is what the increase in code reusability. Reusable, same code can be used many times. That is increase code reusability. Second advantage or benefit of polymorphism is reduces code complexity, as you do not have to give many names to the methods. Same name will work for different purposes. We'll see the example also. Third advantage is promotes flexibility and maintainability. It's become easy to maintain your code as there is polymorphism. It supports polymorphism also supports method overwriting and dynamic method disposition. How to do this we'll see in the next point. Let's talk an real life example of polymorphism. Let's say a person can have different roles. Like suppose I am a teacher, I'm also a father, I'm also an employee of some institute. Okay, so person is the same one, but depending on the situation it behave differently. Here I am working like a teacher. For institution, if I'm performing some other role, then I'm working like an employee, and when I'm at my home I'm working like a father. So person is the same one, but the roles are different. The same thing here, methods will be the same one, the name of the method will be same, but the work they perform will be different depend on the input, whatever inputs we are giving to the methods. Okay, so here you can see same persons but different behaviors depend on the context. In Java, polymorphism allows one interface to be used for general class actions. So how to do this, let's talk about it. So these are the types of polymorphism. First type of polymorphism is method overloading. This is a compile time polymorphism. What is method overloading means? So method overloading in Java is a feature that allows a class to have more than one method with the same name but different parameters. So name of the method will be the same one, but the parameter that we pass to the method will be different. We'll see the example, don't worry. A different number of parameters or different data types will also do. As I said, this is a compile type polymorphism. Second type of polymorphism is method overriding. So what is method overriding? Method overriding occurs when a subclass, also known as child class, provides a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass or a parent class. Means what? We have two classes. One class, let's say one class have a method named add, and another class is inheriting that class, superclass. And the second class, the child class, also have same method, let's say add. Now both classes have methods with the same name, that is add. So which one will be called? Depend on the situation. Okay, so method in subclass must have the same name, same return type and parameters as in the superclass. this is how we implement method overriding. It is an example of runtime polymorphism. We'll see the example to get more clarity on this topic. Okay, so let's see some examples. The first one is method overloading. Now see, you can see here we have created a class calculator. We have this class calculator here. Okay, and this calculator class have two methods. One is add, which accept two parameters, that is integer a and integer b. It returns a plus b. In the second method we have same method, but the data type is different. Double is the data type. Got it? So here we are accepting two values, again a and b, and returning their addition. There is a third method, again name is same, data type is integer, but the parameters are different. That is integer a, integer b, integer c, and it also return sum, or you can say additions. So you can see here three methods having same name. Either they have different parameters or they have different data types. So this is a perfect example for method overloading. In method overloading, we have methods with the same name but different parameters or different data types. Okay, so this is what class calculator is. The second class is test overloading. So we have just created calculator class, but we have not used it. How to use it? We need to use need to create a main class for that. So we have created a main class named test overloading. We have created a method, that is public static void main methods, which indicate that test overloading is a main class. Now here you can see calculator class object C is created here. Calculator C equal to new calculator. Now we are printing three things. System.out.println C dot add 1020. Now what it will do? It will call the first method. Second one is C dot add 10.5, 20.5. Now these are the doubles. So it will call second method, that is double add method. And the the last line of this program, we are again calling add method, but we are passing three parameters. So which method have three parameters? The last one in calculator class. So it will by defaultly call the third method, which accept three integers and will return the addition of three integers. So what will the output in cases? The first method, which accepting two parameters 10 and 20, will return 30. In the second, it will return 31.0, and in the last one, which is 10 plus 20 plus 30, means it will return 60. Got it? Okay, students. So this is what method overloading is. Method overriding, you can see there are classes animal, which is extended by class dog. Then there is another class, that is cat, which is again extend animal, and the last class is test overloading. So animal class have a method sound, which will print a message animal makes sound. Dog will print a message dog barks, and cat will print a message cat meows. Okay? So you can see all of them have method with the same name. Animal class have method sound, dog class have method sound, cat class have method sound. So now dog is a child class of animal, cat is again child class of animal class, and both of them have super class as well as child class have method with the same name, that is sound. So this is what example of method overloading. And the last program you can see public static void main is there. We are creating object of animal class and we are calling method sound. Okay, and it will just call them and print the respective messages. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much, students. Take care.